It's our last day. It's about 7 a.m. We just finished packing up and getting our suitcases ready to go. We got all of our travel documents. We're hanging on our door. So the best thing about, one of the best things about Disney vacations is that they put all, you can check your bags in here, so we don't even have to take our bags to the airport. And then this has our boarding passes in it, and it was on our door, so it just makes the airport so much easier. So we have that. I have my little park bag. We're gonna go drop off Riley's backpack carry-on for the airport to baggage services. And then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom for our last day. All right, we are at Be Our Guest for breakfast, and I got the cronut. Yep. Oh, croissant donut. And Riley got what I got last time, which is the Feast a la Gaston. So we're gonna eat up before our last few hours in Magic Kingdom.
Busy day.
Yeah, the park's already really busy.
It opened at 8 this morning for extra magic hours. And it'll be open till midnight.
Woo. We just finished breakfast and we are so tired. We're dying. So we're gonna go ride our little rides that we have fast passes for. For both of us, like the coffee's not hitting us this morning. It's been such a fun trip, but we're really tired. I'm ready for a really long nap or a really good night's sleep.
Yeah, both.
Where are we?
On the mansion.
Is this your last time riding it, this trip?
Yeah, it is.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. There's the front of the house.
Oh, that's the front door right there. We are in the Hall of Presidents about to watch the show. We've never done this together, and I haven't seen it for 15 years. So, it should be interesting. We just finished with the Hall of Presidents. We're heading to Pirates of the Caribbean. We're walking through Adventureland right now. It's very crowded today. It's by far the most crowded day of our trip, so it's a good day to be ducking out of here. I guess there's never really a good day to be leaving Disney, but if there ever was one, it would be the day where the parks are the most crowded. But we have a couple of we just did our Haunted Mansion Fast Pass, and now we're gonna go do Pirates, and then we have, I think, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad after that. So we'll get to do a few fun rides without any wait. And then we want to shop a little on Main Street, and we both have a couple of snacks left, so we're gonna get some snacks here for lunch. And then, sadly, we head home. Here we go! I love Pirates.
What might be remembered.
We just got in line at Aloha Isle to get our very last Dole Whips of this trip. This is my most favorite snack in all of Disney, and I just love it. Here's my Dole Whip. It's basically pineapple ice cream, pineapple soft serve with pineapple juice at the bottom. And there's Riley. It's delicious!
Captain Jack Sparrow has arrived! All hands on deck! Welcome, sir. My thanks for flashing colors. Nice design. Oh, you've done nothing wrong. I did, yeah. In spite of yourself, that's the day. So, it's a pirate's life you claim.
Our last ride of the trip may be this one, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. The lines are long today, so this is our last Fast Pass. It might be our last ride. Last year, our last ride was Space Mountain.
Yeah, that was good. We're walking through the castle. Yeah. we're headed towards Main Street to take Blair's picture on the pole that we take every year. But we'll have to wait for this dance party. Oh, never mind, Blair wants some popcorn.
We're at Casey's Corner, which is like a hot dog shop. And shockingly, we have never eaten here, even though it is like a cornerstone, literally and figuratively, of Magic Kingdom. And every single time we leave, the both other trips that we've taken, Riley's like, why have we not eaten at Casey's Corner?
Your boy's about to eat about 3 pounds of meat. And I've been waiting years for this, so.
He's thrilled. All right, we made it inside. What are you gonna get, Riley?
Foot-long chili cheese dog.
He said it. All right, here's our final meal. I got a regular hot dog and some fries and cheese sauce. Riley got the biggest hot dog I've ever seen in my entire life. It is so massive. Are you happy we're finally eating at Casey's?
So happy.
All right, we're gonna eat. This is our last meal in Disney. Riley, what did we just get?
I got a big giant cookie, and Blair got, what'd you get?
A Rice Krispie treat.
Rice Krispie treat with drizzle on it.
And we're saying our final goodbyes to Magic Kingdom and to Disney World. Oh, it makes me so sad. All right, this is our Disney last look for our 2018 trip. Saying goodbye after an awesome trip.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.